welcome back with Miss Ice. Today we will learn about the what is it? Delicious food from around the world.
Italy gave us pizza, pasta carbonara, and lasagna. The United States is known for cheeseburgers, barbecue ribs, and mac and cheese.
Jadi materi pertama kan kita sudah membahas tentang sport and games we love. And the second meeting we will learn about the delicious food from around the world. Jadi pertemuan kali ini kita akan membahas tentang makanan enak di dunia ini.
France brought us croissants, coq au vin, and baguette. Japan perfected sushi, ramen, and tempura. Mexico is known for tacos, mole, and tamales.
Kenapa kali ini Miss lebih memilih membahas makanan? Karena kita akan lebih mudah memahaminya dan karena kita mengalaminya. Maksud Miss, di kehidupan sehari-hari pasti kita akan makan ya tentunya. Selain makan, tidur, mandi, apa lagi ya? Ya, pokoknya makan. Kita harus makan untuk hidup. So, dengan materi delicious food from around the world ini kita bisa nambah banyak kosakata and vocab kita seperti sebelumnya Miss katakan. Jadi setiap pertemuan kita harus belajar minimal 20 vocab baru yang mana dengan tema yang berbeda-beda dan tugas yang berbeda-beda juga. So in this meeting we will learn about the delicious food from around the world. Alright. Look at this. This yummy food, right? Can you name it in English? Pizza, and this sushi, or nasi goreng. What do you mean nasi goreng? Yes, fried rice. Example like this. This is pizza. It is cheesy and delicious food. I love it. And what about you? What do you like? Can you tell me? Jadi nanti kita akan mempraktekkan dialog tentang delicious food from around the world, yang mana kalian bisa mempraktekkan sendiri di rumah masing-masing. Boleh lewat video atau bercakap dengan teman juga bisa. Yang penting kalian harus menggunakan 20 kosakata yang menurut kalian baru dan baru kali itu kalian pakai. And then more example, sushi. Sushi is come from Japan and the flavor is a little salty and fresh kayak gitu. Karena sushi kan berasal dari Jepang dan rasanya adalah asin serta sedikit asin dan segar karena biasanya sushi kan mengandung sayur-sayuran ya, atau mungkin bahkan ada yang ikan mentah like salmon maybe, ya kan? Okay, the next example, what is from Indonesian food? Yes, fried rice. Fried rice, it is the flavor is spicy and it is a popular food in Indonesia. Do you understand, student? Okay, now let's repeat after me. We will learn how to describe a any tasty. And the first tasty, sweet. Sweet is manis. And the second tasty, sour. Sour is yes, kecut. And the third is salty. Salty is yes, asin. And the fourth, what is spicy? Spicy meaning is yes, pedas. How to describe the tasty? Just now. Jadi kayak tadi rasa-rasa yang udah disebutin tadi berarti makanannya berupa like lemon is sour and chili is spicy and what again? Um, Chips is salty and candy is sweet. Um, I want you to describe your favorite food and but give me a reason why this food like that. Maybe you can describe this food as like my favorite food is blah 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 because it is blah 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 like that. Okay, are you understand guys? Jadi nanti Miss mau kalian menjelaskan makanan favorit kalian dan menyertakan penjelasan dari struktur atau ciri khas makanan itu atau rasanya. Oke? Yang berasal dari berbagai mancanegara ya. Jangan dari Indonesia aja, soalnya Miss mau kalian belajar banyak kosakata baru dan juga makanan-makanan yang mungkin teman-teman tidak tahu atau Miss tidak tahu yang kalian tahu seperti itu. Jadi kita harus usahakan berbeda setiap individu seperti itu.
India introduced butter chicken, biryani, and masala dosa. China gave us dumplings, Peking duck, and hot pot. Thailand is known for pad thai, green curry, and tom yum. Spain introduced paella, churros, and tortilla española. Greece gave us moussaka, souvlaki, and spanakopita. Germany brought us bratwurst, pretzels, and sauerbraten. Brazil is known for feijoada, pão de queijo, and brigadeiros. Argentina gave us asado, empanadas, and milanesa. Turkey is known for kebabs, baklava, and lahmacun. South Korea made famous kimchi, bibimbap, and bulgogi. Vietnam brought us pho, banh mi, and spring.
For the next task, Miss mau kalian membuat sebuah poster about the delicious food from around the world yang kalian suka tadi, yang udah kalian praktekkan dalam dialog singkat tadi. Terus tugas mandirinya di rumah yaitu membuat poster makanan. Ya, posternya itu berisi tentang maksud Miss, penjelasan dari makanan itu. Seperti tadi yang Miss jelasin, sushi, the flavor is a little salty and fresh kayak gitu. Jadi kalian membuat poster lalu menambahkan gambar sushi mungkin dan sushi come from Japan. Terus rasanya kayak tadi sedikit asin dan segar. Mungkin beberapa orang tidak cocok dengan makanan ini karena makanan ini tidak berasal dari Indonesia, seperti itu. Kalian sertakan penjelasannya, oke? I think enough for this meeting. For any mistake, I say I apologize for any mistake. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Rolls. The United Kingdom is known for fish and chips, shepherd's pie, and full English breakfast. Russia gave us borscht, beef stroganoff, and pelmeni. Sweden introduced meatballs, gravlax, and smorgasbord. Poland brought us pierogi, kielbasa, and bigos. Egypt introduced koshari, ful medames, and mashi. Lebanon introduced hummus, shawarma, and kibbeh. South Africa gave us bobotie, biltong, and bunny chow. Ethiopia is known for injera, doro wat, and tibs. Australia brought us meat pies, pavlova, and Vegemite on toast. Indonesia is known for nasi goreng, satay, and rendang. Philippines is known for adobo, lechon, and halo halo. Netherlands introduced stroopwafels, herring, and bitterballen. Portugal gave us pastéis de nata, bacalhau, and caldo verde. Cuba created ropa vieja, Cuban sandwiches, and tostones.